Walking with prehistoric beasts.
We are designed to love and break, and to rinse and repeat it all again.
One of the greatest education DVDs.
Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms are reaching out from somewhere.
Last time
you made me feel like the troubled heart is a million miles away. You made me feel
I've had a deal. Last time I've considered a deal to draw Entelodons. Now we're drawing Hyaenodon. Two of the greatest prehistoric beasts going head to head. Now let's get started.
See the light shining through the rain. 1,000 colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back around? Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like the troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out in space. Celestial.
For many years, Hyaenodon has been one of the top predators from the Eocene.
We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel we were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out in space. Celestial.
Here are the
Could go either way.
toe claws.
Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, and to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like the troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out in space. Celestial. Celestial.
Alexa, what is Hyaenodon?
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Alexa, what is a hyena?
Hyenas, or hyenas, are feliform carnivorous mammals belonging to the family Hyenidae. With just 4 extant species, it is the 5th smallest family in the carnivora and one of the smallest in the class Mammalia.
Your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond wax balanced on a razor.
There it is, everyone.
We are designed to love and break, and to rinse and repeat it all again. Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms are reaching out.
There he is, everyone. That is how you draw Hyenodon. One of the greatest prehistoric beasts. There he is, everyone. That is how you draw Hyenodon. One of the best prehistoric beasts. Everyone, if you're watching this, I promise I vow to draw every dinosaur that has ever lived. And this promise, I will continue to expand. As we go walking with prehistoric beasts. Stegosaurus, see you later.